Jesus Freak here, and you've probably noticed me mentioning that I always have one Bible with me. No matter where I go, what I'm doing, I always have at least one Bible with me, my everyday carry Bible. But the last year it's been this one, like I've also mentioned. There's been some times when I've swapped it out, and usually it was for this one because it's smaller. I have the small bag that I take around some places. I can fit my wallet, my phone, this, and some coins in it because I need to keep my Canadian change separate from my American change, where I don't have to worry about that with the bills because it's so obviously different and easy to set aside, even in the same pouch in my wallet. Now, the question would be, why would one want to have a Bible with them everywhere? My everyday carry Bible is, for one, the Bible I take with me to church. They have the passages up on the screen. That's NIV 11. I hate the NIV 11. They have Bibles in the pews. It's NIV 84. I don't like the NIV 84 either. So I bring along a proper Bible and follow along in a proper Bible. And most of my Bibles are King James. Other things, or sometimes I keep it in plain sight, try to, draw attention with it. Or, in case I'm, for some reason, called to evangelize, which honestly I almost never am, but just in case, I need to have a good Bible with me. The Jehovah's Witnesses like to set up shop in the bus terminal up the street. They set up their cart rack and all their tracts, and it becomes important to counter their lies with the truth. So I carry a truth stick that I'm pretty sure they'll accept. They they might not accept it as much as their New World Translation, but they do accept the King James. Mormons, when I see them, they officially use the King James. In fact, the guts of this Mormon Bible from 71 and his Standard Bible from 55 are almost identical. Page for page, line for line, letter for letter. They're both Cambridge cameos. It's a tool I can use. Because before they started printing it themselves, they had Cambridge University Press print it for them. Of course, sometimes they'd also have World or Collins or Nelson do it for them, but most of them were Cambridge. And so, I could use those to fight the truth. I mean, fight lies with the truth. I've been debating, you know, maybe I'll start having more than one everyday carry just so I have, a normal sized Bible, one that I don't have to strain my eyes to read. Yes, I know it's a little bit smaller than 7 points. It's right in that sweet spot. I can read it absolutely fine. And I believe that uh, Pocket Reference Bible, which right now it's in the other room, is about a 4.5. Yes, it does strain my eyes a little bit to read it. But there's times when that's what's called for. Just something small you can shove in a pocket or something. So maybe, change my everyday carry depending on what I need. But I'd probably keep this as the one I usually use for that purpose. Because of, its build quality, the fact that obviously looks like it's been used, but not abused, and the fact that it's this blend of old and new. And yet, the translation is the standard King James. And like I said, I have reasons that I need to standardize on it. Jesus freak out.